Okay, guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the vault. I got three new fake rare pepes here, each one about 150, and a lot of you guys seem to think that the fake rares are a good investment as well. So I'll take your guys' advice on this. I still think a lot of these potentially and notable pepes are going to be worth something. I think these are all upcoming artists, but I cannot deny that anything pepe I think is going to be great. And it's weird. I think there's a lot of talk on Twitter, and when I look at these artists, they talk about how like Pepe is what art is kind of turning into. I guess because art is always subjective. So right now, Pepe is part of the culture. It's part of politics. It's part of the U.S. I guess it's intertwined with culture now. So I didn't actually know that until this year. So I'm still pretty new to Pepe's, guys. So I think a lot of you guys actually I think you guys know more about Pepe than I do. So anything about the lore that you guys want to leave in the comments, or anything that you think I might not know, because I'm new to Pepe, not new to NFTs, not new to crypto. But any good information on Pepe's that you guys can give me, feel free to comment, and like you have been. I appreciate all the comments and the new subscribers. Thanks, guys. So anyway, these are the three new ones. This is a spinoff of the Nakamoto card. You got Chad Pepe, and then you got fake Peppa, and I think these just look awesome together, to be honest with you. So could be worth some money. Who knows? Let's go to the www or pepe.wtf page under the rares, fake rares, and we'll sort by price going high to low. High to low. Now, here are some of the more expensive ones. I think it's a good idea to just go over these, because I noticed a lot of these change and they adjust their prices pretty frequently. So something that might be $100 one week could be $50 another week. Definitely noticed that. I will get into some SOG. I haven't done my due diligence or research on that project at all. So I saw your comment, thank you. I think just leave me some comments if you want to tell me a little bit about it. I'll take all the information you can get, or I can get, sorry. And I appreciate that. So I guess I just wow, that one's awesome. I think any of these Nakamoto spin-offs could be worth something in the future. I might start getting more of those. But another thing I was thinking of, guys, is with these NFTs, what do you guys value more? Do you value your ETH, just holding your ETH, or do you value buying NFTs? Because I notice I'm having this 50-50 thing where I'm like, do I want to... I guess you could just buy new ETH when you're ready to buy a NFT, but I don't know. I guess I just kind of value the ETH just as much as the NFT in a way. So trying to balance that. Anyways, guys, Bitcoin's pumping today. Ethereum's pumping. I really hope that you guys are stocked up on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I really hope you are, because I don't know whether this is a bull trap. Everyone seems to think that this is the beginning of the bull run. I mean, we have been in a bull run, but this is the beginning of the banana wave, going straight up. I don't like to just kind of like follow what everyone's saying. So, I hope for the best, but expect the worst. And, when everyone's thinking that it's good, I'm thinking something's bad. And I always go by the fear and greed index. I'm sure you guys are familiar. If you guys are into NFTs, you know the fear and greed index. I think that's the best way to go about your buying and your selling. I think you should dollar cost average into all your cryptos every month, but you should definitely, like I was saying on the last video, diversify, and that way you're not listening to just one crypto guy. Digibyte, I saw a comment on Digibyte. Yeah, Digibyte's awesome. You must listen to the Economic Ninja as well. I like the Economic Ninja. I think he's cool and great. But again, guys, I've noticed about all these guys who have huge followings. Are like, I don't know. They're just like diehard. At least the XRP guys are just straight XRP. They don't even like Bitcoin. It's like, I love Bitcoin. I love ETH. And the good thing about Economic Ninja and that's a channel if you guys don't know, Economic Ninja, cool, good finance channel. He does like all the other cryptos too, which I like about him. So he's into Digibyte, he's into XRP, he's into Bitcoin, ETH, and a bunch of others he stacks. So I'm kind of similar. I think you got to stack multiple things, including NFTs, including JPEGs, guys. There was a comment on that. Why invest in JPEGs? And you should invest in everything. I mean, I invest in cryptos, I invest in NFTs, I invest in watches, I invest in metals. Like, you guys should be definitely doing your metals and your stocks and bonds, guys. Dividend stocks. Look up dividend stocks. Just because crypto guys are like, oh, the stock market's going to crash, it's going to go to zero. Don't believe that. The stock market isn't going anywhere. The crypto market isn't going anywhere. They all work synergistically together. Okay, so buy your dividend stocks, buy your blue chip stocks, your FANG stocks, your blue chip cryptos. You got to buy them all, guys. You got to catch them all. This isn't just like, oh, I love XRP, so I'm just going to buy XRP. I love Digibyte, I'm only going to buy Digibyte. You got to buy all of them. Okay, there's a reason there's like a top 10 assets. That's the reason they're so big. I remember when Binance coin was like $10, guys. And nobody was talking about Binance coin, but everyone was talking about XRP. Nothing about Binance coin, and boom, that's the one that goes to $500. It's like that really kind of got to me. So anyway, take everything people say with a grain of salt, even me. Okay, let me see how we're doing on time. Kind of just a little rant there, guys. Back to the pepes. Let me know which fake rares you guys are currently looking for or on your watch list. I am going to do another video, but on Bitcoin stamps. I haven't done a couple of videos in a while on that. It's been a while since I did a video on that, like last week. So I got a few new ones of those. And I think I will call it there. Real quick, before I let you guys go, someone did actually buy a Nakamoto card for like $50,000. I saw it on here. I don't remember where it was, but someone did buy a Nakamoto card recently. I'm not going to waste your guys' time and find it for you, but anyway, that's my video for today. A little bit all over the place, but basically just want to let you know I'm going to get into the spells of Genesis. I got to just do some research on that. Feel free to leave me comments. Let me know what you think about my 3 new pepes and which pepes you guys are looking at from whichever collection. And also, if you guys know of any new projects related to pepes, let me know about those too. All right. Stay diversified. Keep investing every month. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks. Peace.